Good morning, Boca Raton. Why should you boil your water? Yes, boil order notices for Boca Raton. Why would that happen? It's really simply put. Well, first of all, I'm Drew, the water guru, here to serve you. A lot of people call us and they say, hey, my town had this boil order, what should I do? I've got, should I use boil it in this? What should I do? Why is that? So real simply put, bacteria got into the water supply. Either let's say a water main broke, or surface water got into the water supply at the water plant, or they mishandled it, they didn't add enough chlorine to the water. That's why they'll ask you to boil your water. Now, during that time, a lot of clients will ask us, oh, I have a reverse osmosis system, just like this guy right here. Do I really need to do that? And the answer is yes, you still need to boil the water. RO does remove some of those contaminants and the bacteria, but it can slip through the membrane. So we always recommend to do that. You have any further questions, Boca Raton? Give me a call or hit me up with a text or an email. Have a great day.